What's up, guys? Today I'm going to talk about OC ramps. So Paris put this ramp in a few years ago, and it was the best thing that ever happened to this skate park. Because the rest of the skate park was just built by normal construction workers. And I want to show you the mini ramp we had going on over here. The thing about using just regular construction workers to build a skate park, it might be cheaper, but they don't know about skateboarding. They don't understand the physics of skateboarding. And when you try to skate this ramp, it's so lumpy, it's almost unskateable. You first hit the bottom of it, you get this really hard impact, and then you get up to the top, and the coping sticks out way too much on top. So this mini ramp really saved this skate park. This was the best purchase that this town ever made as far as skateboarding goes. This might be a few $1,000s, but it's definitely worth it. I want to start off by saying OC Ramps makes really, really nice ramps. If you're building a skate park, please don't hire some local construction company that doesn't have any experience with skateboarding to build the skate park. I am pretty sure that's what happened with the rest of the skate park. Every time I go, I get a different story. Today, I talked to the locals, and they gave me a totally different story. At first, they were like, I think Andy Chirac built this park. And I was like, I have skated with Andy Chirac, and I am 100% sure he had nothing to do with building this skate park. But these guys were really nice. I had a great time skating with them. Their energy was really good, and these guys were good skaters. This one guy did the best laser flip I've ever seen, ever. And I don't have a video of it, but it was perfect. So what I've collected from the stories is there was this kid who got hit by a car or something. Somehow he passed on. And they built this skate park in his honor, but they hired just construction workers to build it, and they built something that was just completely unskateable. So since people were complaining, they bought this mini ramp, and this thing is amazing. If you're building a skate park, please buy a wooden mini ramp like this. Get a ramp from OC Ramps. The wood's gonna last a few years, and then after it gets messed up, the top sheets of plywood, don't replace it with regular plywood from Lowe's. It'll get destroyed in a week. Replace it with Skatelite, and it'll last 10 years probably. You know, Skatelite lasts a long time. It's weatherproof. This ramp is so good because when you fall, it doesn't hurt. It's not too big. It's the perfect size for people to learn how to skate mini ramp and get really good. What I really like about wooden mini ramps is they slide. Like, you can do 50-50s to fakie, easy, completely effortless. On a concrete ramp, you would have to really push it. The wooden ramps, you can learn how to revert, you can learn how to slide and how to skate something slick. And it just helps you progress faster and faster and faster. Like, people who skate indoor parks all winter, they get so good because indoor parks are slick and you can slide around. If you don't land your tricks perfectly, you can kind of slide into it and out of it. Wooden ramps are the best things to learn on. So I would suggest you buy a ramp from OC Ramps. You can also get one to put in your garage or your backyard or your bedroom. It's awesome. They make some great stuff. I've got a rail from them. I've skated several of the OC obstacles in my lifetime. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I know I already said goodbye, but I have to say one more thing. I was just reading this ridiculous article. So Katy Perry used to date this guy named Matt Thiessen from Relient K. He's from Canada, moved to Ohio, started this band, a Christian alternative band. And he dated her for like 3 years. And then he got engaged to this girl. And there's all these crazy articles about it that just were popping up on my phone just a second ago. Like, so the first comment I read was he cheated on her, and then under that, this guy was like, no, he didn't cheat on her. He metaphorically cheated on her. He actually just wrote beautiful songs, and they were about the girl that God wanted him to be with in the future. And she took that as, oh, you're cheating on me with this girl metaphorically. You've written these beautiful songs about another woman. It was just like, what? And then the next comment under that was like, no, don't buy that. Don't buy that story. He did cheat on her. And I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but it just like popped into my head. But yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day. This is the last time I'm coming back. I promise. I want to talk about this invention I made. So I strapped my camera onto my bike, and I've been getting some really cool street photos. I'm actually a photographer. I went to school, took a lot of photography classes. So in the future, I think I'm going to make a video showing a bunch of my photos. I've done so many photos over the years, and I just want to talk about them a little bit. If you guys think that's a good idea, let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.